Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Yesterday afternoon while I was working, my wife and kids went out shopping, and at one point I got a message from my wife saying, "We've got donuts." Now, I was quite looking forward to having a donut with maybe a cup of tea after I finished work, so you can imagine my disappointment when about half an hour later I got another text message saying, "No donut, Jean dropped them." Jean is our son who's 12 years old, and apparently he was walking along balancing the donuts on his hand like this when they all tumbled to the floor. When he got home, I saw him and said, "Hey, I've got a bone to pick with you. Where's my donut?" At which point he looked rather guilty and said, "Ah." If you say, "I've got a bone to pick with you," it basically means I want to talk to you because of something annoying that you've done. And usually you then go on to explain what the annoying thing is. So maybe if you're a teacher, you might need to talk to one of your students and say, "Hey, I've got a bone to pick with you. That homework that you handed in was very clearly written by ChatGPT and not written by you." Maybe if you're living with flatmates who you don't massively get on with very well, you might have to confront them sometimes and say, "Got a bone to pick with you. You've been drinking my milk and you've finished off all of my coffee." Maybe if you've got friends who've been gossiping about you or who haven't paid you money back that they owe you, you might again have to confront them and say, "Got a bone to pick with you. I heard that you told my brother what I said to you in the strictest of confidence about him the other day." Or, "I've got a bone to pick with you. That £20 I lent you 2 months ago, you still haven't paid me it back." And maybe if you've got teenage kids, you might sometimes have to have a word with them by saying, "Got a bone to pick with you. When you borrowed my car last week, you didn't fill it up with petrol on your way home like you promised you would. Next time, I want to make sure you do, okay?" If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues on social media. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use "I've got a bone to pick with you."